is the M240 Bravo machine gun, which is the standard machine gun that the guys are using right now for 30 caliber, 7.62 by 51. I can shoot it single shot, or I can shoot it full auto in 1.8 second bursts. 400 rounds in the can, another 20 or so in the chute. It's got two coax cameras, a 24 power video camera here, and a FLIR camera here for temperature. I also have a coax laser rangefinder, so I can laze targets, and when the targets are lased, the information goes back to the fire control computer. It has a laser dazzler. If you understand, it's 4 green lasers, right, that strobe. And if you were like a mob or something that was coming up an alleyway or whatever, you could shoot that at them, and it'd be eye safe if you're beyond 50 meters. And you would definitely know that you're being targeted, because it would be just this green flashing wall at you. And it'd be a good idea to maybe get out of the way or change your attitude in what we're going to do. The whole idea of this is to have an escalation force, if you will. Like, I can hit you with the siren in the back. It's got a 120 decibel police car siren. I can also, up there's a microphone. If that doesn't help, I can go to my 4-barrel 40 millimeter grenade launcher. And what this does here, you can shoot smoke rounds, you can shoot CS gas rounds, or you can shoot high explosive rounds. You know, so once again, you can escalate your forces. Like, okay, the guy's still coming, maybe he just doesn't understand. I'll whip a smoke round out there. Okay, I got a bunch of people who won't disperse. I can shoot some tear gas out there. Or I have a vehicle that's obviously going to try and blow us up. I can hit it with some HE. And also, we can go to the machine gun to shoot either a single shot or a couple shots, depending on how you have it adjusted. And I can give it a 1.8 second burst.
We have a Marine Corps warfighter.
And also there's time with other so I think eventually we'll be able to get put it on a backpack.
Right now you're in drive mode. You're looking your left-hand lower screen. You don't see anything. You press down on your right joystick. Now you're in manipulator mode. You can use the arm.
So that's why this one was so much easier to get the water bottle. Am I on the ground?
No. You gotta move back. There you go, you're touching it. Close. Hey! Yeah! Take it back.
That way you're not always going back and forth and giving away the position. You can essentially put it on the side of the road, keep it in the car, and shut it off. Not turn it on until somebody comes into that sector from another opening. And in about 45-30 seconds, once it boots up, you can be watching, oh, the gas kept on, no problem.
Staff Sergeant Thomas, Delta 2nd 104th. This is the Shadow 200.
And, oh, you're thinking because of their ability, yeah.
So he's mainly used for surveillance. It's a brigade level asset. This particular aircraft is flown in Iraq and just come back from reset.
our visual display. Stryker is pretty nice because it knows what's going on before you do. Right? So it's telling you about a problem you almost
This is like
before it
vehicle
happens, so-
diagnostics, things like that.